my shaved engine bay. I'm ready to paint it. I'm gonna give it a bit of a sand down and then paint it, make it look really pretty. I'm excited because this is the first bit of painting I get to do on this car, and I'll actually get to see what my color looks like, so it's exciting. So I know my paint job's not going to be 100% because I didn't prep it amazingly because it was in the engine bay. It was hard, there was corners, there was heaps of stuff to work around, so whatever, it's not a huge deal. It's gonna get hidden anyway once the engine's in there. A lot of it will be gone, but it doesn't bother me. And the strut tops will get replaced with my other ones. But yeah, so I don't care if it's not 100%. It's just gonna put a bit of color in there and make it look a bit nicer. So it doesn't matter if there's a couple runs in the engine bay or whatever. This is my color. I think it looks really cool. It's very similar to what I had on the blue Mira, but it's metallic and has like a bit of a fleck through it. I think it's gonna look awesome. I'll show you when I've painted the engine bay what it looks like on the car. It's gonna look mint. Hey, this is where I'm up to. It started to spit a little bit, so I'll keep it short and put the bonnet down and then so it can dry. Yeah, I think it looks super cool, super pretty. And I've got a heap of, I'm gonna accent everything gold in there. So I'm gonna have gold brake booster and gold windscreen wiper thing and gold exhaust and I don't know, just a couple gold things, gold strut tops as well. These ones are going to get changed out from my other ones. Yeah, so that's my color. I'm super happy with it. It's like, yeah, sparkly. You can see it started to rain a little bit, but that's okay. It's just my engine bay anyway. I'm not super worried. Put the bonnet down and let it dry. I'm happy with that. That's awesome. Super keen, and it also gives me the confidence to do the actual paint job too, because it was super easy to spray with the gun and the compressor and stuff, and yeah, I think it's gonna work out well. I'm excited. Alright everyone, like and subscribe and follow to keep up with the build. It's coming along quite well. Really excited to get it done, so should mean the videos come out quite quickly. Yeah, see ya.